All right, everybody, here we are. It's me, Gregory Mannarino, and it is Monday, November 23rd, 2020. Here's the story. Right now, this stock market is poised for a higher open pretty much across the board. All kinds of positive news over the weekend and this morning getting floated out on this vaccine. It's like a miracle, and the market really is eating this up alive. Moreover, there's all this talk about treatments, this miracle drug or drug cocktail from Regeneron, and the market's eating that up too. Look, I am still, I'm going to short this market. I'm going to tell you right now. I think this market's going to give back. If I'm wrong, I am wrong. If you're one of my lions out here and you are still short this market, I think you're in the right spot. At the opening bell, I would be willing to bet, at least at this point, again, I am going to take up another short position against this market. I will post it directly to my newsletter. There is a link in the description of this video, and I will shoot it out to you. So I hope you are subscribing to my newsletter. So anyway, like I said, euphoria on positive vaccine news. It's the greatest thing ever. Therapies, of course, the most expensive ones are the ones they are pushing right now. What else would you expect in this kind of environment? I guess nothing. Let's talk about a few other things. Cryptocurrencies right now getting bid higher. Bitcoin turned around pretty close to 19,000 again, so that's significant. 10-year yield did rise. It's on the rise a little bit. So that's a sigh of relief from the market. You got the dollar under a little bit of pressure right now. Gold and silver also under a little bit of pressure right now. It's a crazy phenomenon to watch, but that's what they do. But to me, it's opportunity. You know that, people. It's opportunity. Crude oil catching a bid as well. So look, overall, it looks very positive for the market here. You got 10-year yield slightly higher, or more or less stable, but slightly higher. Dollar weaker. Crude oil getting propped up. The news getting floated out here is definitely stock market positive here. So that's why we're slated here for a higher open. Will it last throughout the day? You know what? I don't know. But I am going to start building a short position against this market. Look, you all know how to do this. It's so simple. What do? Do I take a gigantic sum of cash and throw it into the market and just forget about it? No, that's how you lose. What I will do, because I do intend to bet against this market, is take up a small initial position and then add to that incrementally if I am correct. If I am wrong, I close my small initial positions with a minimal loss. Can't possibly be easier for you. I really can't. Like I said, I will never let any of you down. With regard to this market and everything connected to it, I still am a major, massive bull when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You all know that. It won't change in this environment. Look at the Dixie. Look at the dollar index. The dollar has been getting decimated. I think the dollar has lost about 10% in value year over year. That is extraordinary. And that is going to continue in my view. It's not going to go straight down. You're going to get that random walk. I think the dollar is in a downward trajectory. It's going to stay that way. Again, what are they going to do? They're going to print. The central banks are going to print. They're going to add digits to a screen, trillions in more debt. So, it just could not be easier for you and for me. With regard to precious metals, they're going to continue to play their game. They're going to play their game. Like I've been telling you since forever. We will continue to play ours. We will bet against this debt, become our own central bank, use every opportunity that you have, in my opinion, to hoard gold, more specifically silver. I still believe this, and I'll never waver from this either. Silver is the most undervalued asset in the history of the world. In the history of the world, in my opinion, silver's the place to be longer term. Again, we are clearly in a risk-on environment, meaning cash is going to make its way into the stock market. Yes, I am a bear right now with regard to the stock market. In the short run, market's going to give back, or should at least give back, and then we make another run higher. Just like what Bitcoin did over the weekend. We were at like almost 19. We pulled down to 17.5, and now we're going back up. That's how asset prices work. You go up, you pull back to it, you establish a floor, and then you go up. That's just how it works in this environment of easy money. The easy money is not going to stop. So if we understand that, it's our strength, it's our power. It should be clear to you. At least I hope so. All right, so look, pretty much that's it. For you lions out here, or any of you that do subscribe to my newsletter, watch your email box this morning. Again, this market doesn't start trading for just about 40 minutes. I'm pretty sure, at least right now, I will be taking up a short position against this market at the open or close to the open. And if you do subscribe to my newsletter, you will know exactly what I am doing. All right, so with that said, let us watch the festivities here. Let's look for opportunity, because opportunity is everywhere, every day, okay? We're never going to lay down before this freak show market. We're always going to try to find the right spots to be in, okay? That's what this is all about. And what do? We pull our profits and we pay it forward. That's what we do as lions. Is what I am counting on you to do as a lion, okay? All right, that's it. I'm out of here. See you later.